Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to update Jitsi Meet step by step. Keeping Jitsi Meet updated gives you access to the latest features, security improvements, bug fixes, and better overall performance. So let's get started. First, determine how you're using Jitsi Meet. If you access it through a web browser on your computer, there's usually no separate Jitsi Meet application to update. Instead, keeping your web browser updated ensures you're using the latest version of the Jitsi Meet web interface. If you're using the Jitsi Meet mobile app, open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on your iPhone. Search for Jitsi Meet and open its app page. If an update button is available, tap it to download and install the latest version. Once the update is complete, open the app and verify that it launches normally. You should notice improved stability, better compatibility, and access to any new features included in the latest release. If you're using a self-hosted Jitsi Meet server, updating the server software is handled by the system administrator. End users don't need to perform server updates themselves, but you should make sure you're connecting to the latest supported server version. Finally, restart the app or refresh your browser after updating. Then join a test meeting to confirm your microphone, camera, and screen sharing features are working correctly. And that's it. You now know how to update Jitsi Meet on Android, iPhone, and desktop, and why keeping your browser or app up to date helps ensure the best meeting experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next